Hi everyone, I'm Claudia, international makeup artist. Welcome to my channel. Today I want to show you how to achieve these foxy eyes, which are very easy to achieve, and it's also a very trending makeup, and the ombre lips. I will start as always by balancing the skin using the fresh toner, and after that I'm gonna go straight to moisturizer. This is the Honey Balm by Wishful, which is a very nice moisturizer to apply before makeup and especially on the highest points of the face where you want a little bit of a natural glow. The next step is the lip mask. Right now I'm using the Agave Plus lip mask by Bite Beauty, and after that I'm gonna just mattify the center of the face as usual, the T-zone, because I don't want any shine there. I don't want the skin to look greasy or oily. Moving on to the base, I'm now using the Glowish skin tint, which is a lovely product. It's new on the market and it's like a BB cream. I would say it has a very low coverage, but it makes your skin so youthful and fresh. It has a very subtle glow to it, which looks amazing, especially if you want to achieve that dewy skin effect. And to conceal and also brighten the under eye area, I'm now using the Tilbury concealer and I'm applying it in the key areas. I'm also applying it a little bit on the sides of the nose to create that little subtle contour effect, and of course underneath the eyes. And moving on with cream products as well, I'm now going to use the Cream Contour by Patrik, which is also a lovely new product on the market. I just recently tried it out and I can say I love the texture. It sits so well on the skin. It's like a cream to gel formula, I would say. It's very easy to blend, and it also has a powder bronzer if you want to set the cream contour. Now for blush, I'm using a very similar formula. This is the Makeup Forever Ultra HD Blush palette, and it has all lovely shades that you can imagine. I love this palette. This is a very important product in my kit. I never go to a shooting without it. And now to highlight the highest points of the face, I'm using the new Huda Beauty highlighter as well. I'm using a lot of new products in this tutorial because I feel like beauty industry is so innovative, and I always receive these new products and I'm so excited to try them out, especially with you guys, so that I can also let you know what's my feedback on them. Now I will start by setting the under eye area with the Huda Beauty Sugar Cookie powder. This is a translucent powder and I love it because it has that very nice blurring effect. And I'm also gonna lightly set the rest of the face because I also want to use the powder bronzer, the new one by Glowish by Huda Beauty as well, which is a lovely bronzer. It's a very interesting formula. I don't even know how to describe it. It's a very subtle effect, like it's not strong at all. So if you are a beginner, I think this bronzer is ideal for you. Right now I'm just using the setting spray all over the face so that all the powders can melt into the skin. For brows, I start by brushing them up using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Freeze in order to give them that amazing shape and that very lovely brushed up effect. And I'm also gonna press them with the other side of the brush because I wanna make them stay in place all day. And after that I'm gonna move to the eyelids. I'm gonna just prep the eyelids with a very lightweight base. This is a Paint Pot by MAC. This is the shade Penterly. And going back to the brows, I'm using the brow pen right now just to create some hair-like strokes, especially in the front of the brow because I feel like that's where she needs a couple of hair strokes. And then I'm gonna move back to the eyes and I'm gonna start creating my foxy eye. Alright, so in order to create a foxy eye effect, I'm gonna use the brown liner. It's a very creamy waterproof liner and I'm applying it as a normal liner, and then I'm just gonna use the angle brush in order to elongate the shape of the eyeliner and make it a little bit more smooth, I guess. And then in the inner corner of the eye I'm gonna do the exact same thing and I'm accentuating that V shape. In order to make the brown liner look even more flattering and also setting it at the same time, I'm now using a maroon shadow on top of it, and I'm using the same angled brush to set it and also make it look a little bit more intense. And then I'm gonna apply a few individual lashes on the outer corner of the eyes only because I want that foxy eye effect, so this is why I'm only using them on the outer corners. And right now I'm gonna move to the lips, which is a statement look. I love this lip look, it's just amazing. I'm using the Huda Beauty lip liner, which is very good to use for this type of lip look because it's waterproof and it literally stays put, and I don't want the lips to look very blended, and this is why I'm using that because I'm gonna add a gloss on top and this liner will stay untouched, unmoved under the lip gloss. Right now, as you can see, I'm applying mascara going to the outer corners of the eye because I want that foxy eye effect, so I'm literally brushing the lashes going towards the outer corners of the eyes, and on the lower lash line I'm only applying mascara on the outer parts of the eye. And to finish off the look, I'm now applying this lovely lip gloss by Chantecaille, which looks like a hot pink, but it's actually pretty transparent and it's perfect for this type of lip look. I'm applying it all over the lips and I'm blending just a little bit the edges of the liner, but not too much. And as I said earlier, that's why I love this lip liner, because it doesn't really blend in, so you can achieve this specific look. And there you go. If you want to have a statement look that is very easy to achieve, you can always go for this option right here. If you recreate it, of course, don't forget to tag me on your Instagram story so that I can see your beautiful makeup looks. Thank you so much for watching and I hope you enjoyed.